The least number, smallest number. I want the smallest number, okay? I want the smallest number which should be added to 3627. So there is one smallest number, n minimum value, that should be added to 3627. 3627 such that the sum is exactly divisible by, sum is divisible by, answer is divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 8. Answer is divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 8. Wherever there is a right key point divisible by, we will use the concept of LCM. We will use the concept of LCM. Now let us solve the question very logically, sir. If you see here, I told you in LCM related problems, input one number, it is divisible by 5. Answer, it will be divisible by 5. Answer, it will be divisible by 5. Right hand side, it is divisible by 5. Input one number, it is divisible by 2. Answer, it will be divisible by 2. Answer, it will be divisible by 2. Similarly, input one number, it is divisible by 3. Answer will be divisible by 3. 5 into 2 is my main focus point. Why? Because 5 into 2, it is 10. So if it is divisible by 10, right hand side unit digit will be 0. Right hand side unit digit will be 0. Here left hand side unit digit, it is 7. So here it should be 3. Here it should be 3. Why? Because 7 plus 3 only, it is 10. Answer, unit digit has to be 3. Answer, unit digit has to be 3. 72, 39 and 27, all are eliminated. Again I am replying, right? N minimum plus 3627. LCM of 4, 5, 6, 8. Input one number divisible by 5. Answer also it is divisible by 5. Input one number divisible by 2. Answer also it should be divisible by 2. That means right hand side is divisible by 10. That means unit digit it is 0. Left hand side unit digit it is 7. For it to become 0, the number which is minimum, it should have unit digit 3. Let us check whether 3627 plus 93. 3627 plus 93. This is 12. So this is becoming, how much it is becoming? 3627 plus 93. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. It is 3720. 3720. Check it out whether 3720 is divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20. Yes. Is it divisible by 5? Divisible by 5, unit digit 0, yes. Is it divisible by 6? 6 is 2 and 3 combination. Sum of the digits, it is divisible by 3. 8 is the last 3 digits divisible by 8. 890 is our 720. That means answer for this question is 93. Please do not waste your time in doing LCM of 4, 5, 6, 8 minus 367. Here it is divisible by 2. Here it is divisible by 5. Answer will be divisible by 10. That means unit digit 0. Here unit digit 7. So here the unit digit will be 3. 3 plus 7 it is 2. Only one option, 93. I hope you got an idea. Which of the following it is the smallest number? Which of the following is the smallest number that is a perfect square? Answer should be a smallest number. Smallest number means it should have take a minimum value. N should be a minimum value and it is a perfect square. And it is a perfect square. And it should be a perfect square. Answer should be a minimum value and it is a perfect square. And it is divisible by. Whenever there is a word divisible by, we should take LCM. Which divides, we should take the word HCF. So it is divisible by LCM of 6, 8 and 15. Answer should be divisible by LCM of 6, 8 and 15. 6, 8 and 15. First of all, he has clearly said that it is a perfect square. I already told you, whenever you are finding LCM, if answer it is 121, it contains power of 11. It should be present as an input in one of the 3 numbers. It is not present as an input in any of the 3 numbers. So that is out. 276. 276 factorization if I do, it is 3 into 92. 92 it is 23 into 4. 23 into 4 into 23 into 4 into 3. 23 12s are, it is 276. Answer it is divisible by 23. If answer it is divisible by 23, in the input 23 related at least one number should be there. It is not there, so it is omitted. 225. If you see here, it is LCM of, here it is an even number. Input one number is an even number. Answer will also be an even number. Input one number divisible by 2. Answer also it should be divisible by 2. So 225 out. That means without even doing the LCM, I got the answer as 3600. I got the answer as 3600. I hope the idea it is clear. What students will do it is LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. 24 and 15. 24 and 15. LCM of, it is 3 8s are, it is 3 5s are. So they will do 3 3s are 3 out, 8 5s are 40. 40 3s are 120. Answer should be a multiple of 120, like that they will do. Not at all required. Very, very important question, sir. Answer cannot be 121 because 121 contains a multiple of 11. It is not present in any of the numbers. It cannot be 276. 276 is a multiple of 23. Input any number is not a multiple of 23. It cannot be 225. Input one number is an even number. Output should be an even number. Very beautiful basic understanding question. 27th question. I hope the idea it is clear. These are some of the courses. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number. Smallest number means n minimum we should do, which should be added to the smallest number. N minimum should be added to LCM of 6, 9 and 15. LCM, N minimum plus LCM of 6, 9, 15 to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. This is an easy question, sir. LCM of 6, 9 and 15. Whenever you are doing an LCM related problems, the entire attention is on the largest number. 15. 15 should be a multiple of 6 and 9. 15 is not a multiple of, right, 6, because 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. And another thing, 9. Input one number, it is 9. What is the magical property with respect to 9? Whenever you are doing LCM, if input one number is 9, answer also it should be, digital sum should be 9. Which multiple of 15? The digital sum will be 9. 90. 90. Why it is 90? Please see here. 6 is an even number. Even number means it will be divisible by 2. The first multiple of 9 in a 15 multiple is 45. So 2 into 45 it is 90. 2 into 45 it is 90. Again I am repeating. LCM of 6, 9, 15. LCM means we will see the largest number. Largest number it is 15. Which multiple of 15? Digital sum will be 9. Because input one number, digital sum is 9. 15 3s are 45. But input it is divisible by 2. Output it should be an even number. 45 even multiple is 90. 90 how much should be added to make it a perfect square? First option 10. 90 plus 10 is 100. 100 is 10 square, which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square. I hope the idea it is clear how to find out the LCM of the numbers with basic foundation related properties. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. 10 plus 90 it is 100. Next one. Find the sum of the greatest and the smallest number. So we need to find out the value of greatest and smallest number. K1 value is there. We have to find out the minimum value. We need to find out the maximum value. K minimum plus K maximum, right? To make the number divisible by 6. K, there will be a lowest value that will make this number divisible by 6. K will be a largest value that will make it a divisible by 6, because K is a digit here. So because K is a digit, it can take only values from 0 to 9. Definitely we might get a lowest and highest. K is a digit here. Digit means it can take value from 0 to 9. It can take value from 0 to 9. It is divisible by 6. 6 is a composite number. So we need to use the concept of writing the composite number as a product of coprimes. So we need to use the concept of divisibility rule of 2 and divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 2 as well as the divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3 let us use. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3, because divisibility rule of 2 is unit digit should be an even digit. Unit digit here, it is already an even digit. That is the reason I am focusing on 3. I am focusing on 3. 6 is a composite number. Composite number can be written as a product of coprimes. So I wrote it as 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means eliminate the digits whose sum is 3. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus K. 14 plus K. K should be divisible by 3. K should be, entire number should be divisible by 3. 14 plus K, this entire number should be divisible by 3. Why entire number should be divisible by 3? Because divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Wherever 3 is there, I eliminated. 3 cancelled. 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 cancelled. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus K. 14 it is 3 4s are 12. Remainder 2. That means K can take 1. 14 plus 1 is 15. Right? Again, if you add 3, K can take 4. Why? Because 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 it is divisible. Again, it can take 3. 14 plus 7 is 14 plus 7 is, right? How much it is? 21. What I did is 3 4s are 12. Here it is the remainder 2. When it is divided by 3, remainder 2, how much I need to add for a remainder 2 to get divisible by 3? Either I can add plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, or I can add plus 4, because 2 plus 4 is 6, or I can add plus 3, 2 plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, am I right? K can take only digits from 0 to 9, so K minimum value it is 1. K minimum value it is 1 and K maximum value it is 7. Minimum it is 1, maximum it is 7. So 1 plus 7, sum is asking 1 plus 7, what will be the answer? 8. 1 plus 7, what will be the answer? 8. Very, very interesting question. There is a digit value that is missing, but there is a condition that is imposed on the question. That is, this number should be divisible by 6. A number is said to be divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. What is the divisibility rule of 2? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the 2 means unit digit should be even. Already unit digit even it is there. For 3, what is the divisibility rule? Sum of the digits should be divisible. Sum of the digits should be divisible. I removed all the digits whose sum is 3. 3 deleted, 8, 2 plus 1 deleted. Remaining it is, right, 14 plus K. Sir, I will delete 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 6 plus K. That also will result in remainder 2 only. You will left with 8. 8 when divided by 3, remainder 2. K minimum it is 1, K minimum it is 7. 14 when divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, remainder 2. Remainder 2, 1 I should add to make it divisible by 3. 4 I should add to make it divisible by 3. There is a difference of 3 because the number is divisible by 3. Good question. SSC 2022 second shift question. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Next question. Read the question. There is a 9-digit number. What is that number? 485 x36 78y. 485 x36785. This number is divisible by which all numbers? Which number? 72. 72, it is a composite number. Composite number, write down it as a product of coprimes. That means we need to check the divisibility rule of 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We need to check the divisibility rule of 9 and 8. Let me first check the divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. What are the last 3 digits? 7, 8, y. For these 3 numbers to be divisible by 8, what will be y value? 8 9s are 72. Remaining it is 6. 64 it is divisible by 8. That means y value will be 4. Y value will be 4. Y value will be 4. See here, 780. 780 means for a number to be divisible by 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For it to be divisible by 8, first it should be divisible by 4. That means it can be 80, it can be 82, it can be 84, it can be 86, it can be 88. 5 choices y will have. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So, out of that number, which one will make it divisible by 8? y4. That means y4 we got. Divisibility rule of 8 we did it. Now we are doing divisibility rule of 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 9 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Eliminate all the digits whose sum is 9. 4 plus 5, it is 9. 6 plus 3, it is 9. What is left? 8 plus x plus 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. That means it is 27 plus x. 27 plus x. He is asking, then for the smallest value of x, this should be divisible by 9. 27 plus x divisible by 9. That means x value it is 0. X value it is 0. If x is 0, because 27 itself is divisible by 9, so x can be 0. What is the question? Question is 2y minus 3x. 2y minus 3x. 2 4s are 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Answer for this question is 8. Answer for this question is 8. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. This number is divisible by 72. 72 means it should be divisible by 9 and 8. For it to be divisible by 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Which value of y will make the last 3 digits divisible by 8? Y value 4. Y it is 4. Divisibility rule of 9 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 8. That means 4 plus 5 out, 8 plus x plus 4 plus 5 out, 3 plus 6 out. Here it is 8 remaining, here x remaining, here 7 remaining, here 8 remaining, here 4 remaining. How much it is? 8 plus x plus 5, 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. Plus y value 4. 27 plus x should be divisible by 9. That means x value 0. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Next one. What is the sum of the numbers between 400 and 500? I need the sum of all the numbers and the number should be greater than 400 and it should be less than 500. Number should be greater than 400 and the number should be less than 400. First we will find out the values, then we will add all that values. Then we will add all that values. Then we will add all that values. What is that lowest value of n that will satisfy the condition? What is the condition? When they are divided by, n is getting divided by 6, 12 and 16. N and it leaves no remainder. That means n is perfectly divisible by 6, 12 and 16. N is getting divided by 6, 12 and 16. The number which is getting divided by 6, 12, 16 is LCM of 6, 12, 16. It leaves no remainder, so it is 0. How to find out these pattern of N? See here. Always whenever you are doing LCM, the focus should be on its largest number. Largest number, it is 16. Largest number 16. 12, it is a multiple of 6. So 12 is already 6 is over. That means it is equivalent to LCM of 12 comma 16. LCM of 6 comma 12 comma 16 is equivalent to LCM of 12 comma 16. Largest number is 16 divisible by 12. 16 is not divisible by 12. Which multiple? Here 12. 12 means there is one prime number of 3 present. 16 should have one prime number of 3. 16 3s are 48. That means N, it is 48k. N, it is 48k. Sum of all the numbers which are greater than 400 and less than 500. 48k. If I take k value 9. K value 9. What will be the number form? 48 into 9. 48 into 9 is 9 8s are 72. It is 432. 432, it is greater than 400 and less than 500. Next number is k value 10. So N will be 48 into 10. This will be 480. This will be 480. K value 11. 11 will be 48 into 11. 11 8s are 88. It is 528. I don't need this case. The numbers should be greater than 400 and less than 500. That means I need to add both the values. 432 plus 480. 432 plus 480. Answer for this question is 912. Answer for this question is 912. 432 plus 480, because he is telling add that numbers. So I added both 432 and 480. 432 plus 480. You don't need to do all this. Just add the unit digits. What is 2 plus 0? It is 2. Answer unit digit should be 2. Answer unit digit should be 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Wherever I am simplifying it, that idea should be very much clear to you, sir. LCM of 6, 12, 16. 12 is already a multiple of 6. So 6 is not required. 12 and 16. 16 is not divisible by 12. 12 contains 3 as a prime number. 16 3s are 48k. 48k. I substituted k equivalent to 9, k equivalent to 10. I got the numbers which are lying from 400 to 500. I added both the numbers. 432 plus 480, it is 912. 432 plus 480, it is 912. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. If a 10-digit number, what is the 10 digit? It is 547, it is 26x, next is 79y6. This is a 10-digit number. This number is divisible by 72. If a number is divisible by 72, 72 it is a composite number. It should be divisible by 2 co-prime numbers, that is 9 and 8. First we will get the value of 8 by using the concept of divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Last 3 digits. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. This is 9y6. 9y6. First of all, for a number to be divisible by 8, it should be first divisible by 4. So 4 cases are 916, 936, 956, 976, 996. If I keep y value as an odd number, All these numbers are divisible by 4. But I want the number to be divisible by 8. 8, which all possibilities are there? See here. 8 11s are 88. 36, not possible. 8 11s are 88. 56. 8 7s are 56. Possible. 8 11s are 88. 76. It is not possible. 8 12s are 96. 16. It is possible. 8 12s are 96. 36. It is not possible. That means looking at the question, I got the answer as y value as 3 and 7. Y value as 3 and 7. He is asking what is the value of 5x minus 3y. He is asking what is the value of 5x minus 3y. 5x minus 3y. 5x minus 3y for the least value of x. For the least value of x. Now see here, least value of y is 3. That means it is 5x minus 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 when divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Negative remainder. 5x minus of minus 1. Am I right? How these minus 1 we got? 5 into 2, 10. Negative remainder, it is minus 1. That means entire value should be 5 into something plus 1. Answer should be, no need to find out the value of x. Answer when divided by 5, remainder should be 1. 5 4s are 20, remainder 3. 5 3s are 15, remainder 4. 5 3s are 15, remainder 2. You don't need to find out the value of x. Directly answer when divided by 5, it should give a remainder 1. It should give a remainder 1. Again I am repeating. 5 into something. 5 into something. That means it is divisible by 5. 5 into something. It is divisible by 5. Why I should take a minimum value? 3 and 7. What is the minimum value? I took 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 when divided by 5. Positive remainder is 4. It is minus 4. Minus 4 means remainder will be plus 1. Answer when divided by 5. Answer when divided by 5. Remainder should be 1. You do not need to do the divisibility rule of 9 to find the value of x and substitute it. There is only one option. When divided by 5, answer remainder it is 1. Answer divide remainder it is 1. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Next one. If the 9-digit number, there is a 9-digit number that is given to you. It is 957 x5y 6z3. This is a 9-digit number. It is divisible by which number? 33. It is divisible by 33. 33 can be written as product of two coprimes 3 into 11. 33 can be written as product of two coprimes 3 into 11. Now see here. First think. What is the divisibility now? What is he asking? It is what is the maximum value of x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. Maximum value he is asking. X plus y plus z. Maximum value he is asking. Now see here. First it should be divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Everywhere where the sum of the digits is 3, eliminate it. That means 5 plus x plus y plus z. It is divisible by 3. 5 plus x plus y plus z. It should be divisible by 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 9 5 7. It is completely out. 6 3. It is completely out. X plus 5 plus y plus z. 5 plus x plus y plus z. It is divisible by 3. There is something it is given. X plus y plus z will take a lot of values. What is the maximum value of x plus y plus z? If I take 27, 5 plus 27, 32. It is not divisible by 3. 24 plus 5, 29. It is not divisible by 3. 25 plus 5, 30, it is divisible by 3. 26 plus 5, 31, it is not divisible by 3. If there is more than one answer option where the sum is getting divisible by 3, I would have used the concept of divisibility rule of 11 also. Divisibility rule. But there is only one option that is satisfying. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 9 I deleted. 5 plus 7, 12 I deleted. 6 plus 3 it is deleted. Remaining is 5 plus x plus y plus z. It should be divisible by 3. X plus y plus z answers I substituted. Only one option is making it divisible by 3. That is 5 plus 25 is 30. 30 it is divisible by 3. I hope the idea it is clear. Right? Sometimes we get the answers very, very fast, sir. 34th. The sum of a 3-digit number ABC plus BCA plus CAB plus CAB. Right, now see here. Here A is in hundreds place. So the value of A is 100A. B is in tens place. So the value of B is 10. The first value it is A is in hundreds place. B is in tens place. C is in units place. B is in hundreds place. 100B. C is in tens place. 10C plus A plus C is in hundreds place. 100C. A is in tens place. 10A plus B. 10A plus B. Now if you observe carefully, 100A plus 10A plus A, it is 111A. 10B, 100B and B. Again it is 111B. Are you all with me? C plus 10C plus 100C. It is again 111C. 111 if I take it, it is 111 into A plus B plus C. 111 means it is 37 into 3. It is 37 into 3. It is 37 into 3. That means answer is always divisible by 37. Out of 37 and 3, 37 is already present. Very simple question it is. ABC plus BCA plus CAB. A is in hundreds place. A is in units place. A is in tens place. 100A plus 10A plus A. 111A. 111B, 111C. Or what you can do is, question contains variables. I told you so many times, sir. If question contains variables, if answer contains numerical values, question contains variables, answer contains numerical values, what is the best method to solve the problem? Substitution is the best method to solve the problem. Substitution is the best method to solve the problem. Take any values. One is 1, 2, 3. Next is 2, 3, 1. Next is 1, 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. If I add it also, 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 1, 2. It is 666. 666 is 6 into 111. 111 is 3 into 37. Answer is divisible by 37. Answer is divisible by 37. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. What is the best way to solve? Substitution is the best way to solve. Or you can do like this. 100A plus 10B plus C. 100B plus 10C plus A. 100C plus 10A plus B. If I do it, I will get 111 into A plus B plus C. 111 is 37 into 3. 111 is 37 into 3. Answer is divisible by 37. Answer is divisible by 37. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. Next one, there is a 6-digit number. There is a 6-digit number which is 439XY5. There is a 6-digit number 439XY5. The unit digit it is ending with 5. That means this is an odd number. The unit digit, it is ending with 5. If it is ending with an even digit, answer would have been an even number. It is ending with 5. It is an odd number. And this number is divisible by 125. This number is divisible by 125. The entire number, it is divisible by 125, but it is an odd number. That means how many values I can take? Here it is 125. 250 I cannot take. What are 125 multiples? 125 ones are 125. 125 twos are 250. 250 will make the number as an even number. Odd multiples we should take. 125 threes are, 125 fives are, 125 sevens are, 125 sevens are, 125 sevens are, 125 ones are, 125 threes are, 125 fives are, 125 sevens are, 125 nines are. It will exceed that number. I require only a 3-digit number. That means totally how many numbers are there? 439125, 439375, 439625, 439875. Totally how many numbers I got? 4 numbers I got. Totally 4 numbers I got. Is the idea clear? This number is divisible by 125. It is ending with 5. If it is ending with 5, it is an odd number. So answer should be an odd multiples of 5. Odd multiples of 5. 125. 125 ones are 125. 125 threes are 375. 125 fives are 625. 125 sevens are 875. So how many such numbers are there? 4 such numbers are there. 4 such numbers are there. Next one. Read the question. There is an 8-digit number. That 8-digit number is 98x423y4. 98x423y4. This number is divisible by 72. This number is divisible by 72. 72, it is a composite number. So we need to use the concept of product of two coprimes. We need to use the concept of product of two coprimes. That means answer should be divisible by 9, answer should be divisible by 8. Answer should be divisible by 9 and answer should be divisible by 8. 8 means last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 3 digits should be divisible by 8. For it to be actually divisible by 8, it should first be divisible by 4. 4 last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 0, 4, 24, 44, 64. For it to be divisible by 8, first it should be divisible by 4. 4 means it can be, y can take any even place, even digit including 0. 0, 4, 24, 44, 64, 84. 0, 4, 24, 44, 64, 84. Now listen carefully. How many will be divisible? 3 not to 4. 8 3s are 24, 64. Yes. 3 not to 4, it is divisible by 8. 324. 8 4s are 32, remaining no, not possible. 344, 8 4s are 32, 24, 8 3s are 24. Next is 344. Next is 364, 8 4s are 32, remaining it is 44. Next it is 364, 8 4s are 32, 44. 384, 8 4s are 32, 64. It is 384. So 3 values I got. 304, 344 and 384. 304, 344 and 384. For the maximum value of 3 he said. What is the maximum value of y? It is 8. Maximum value of y it is 8. 304, 344, 384. These are all the values of y. That means y will be 8. If y it is 8, if I substitute, this will be 5x plus 3 8s are 24 minus it will be 8y. Minus it will be 8y. 5x plus 24 minus 8 into x. Minus 8 into x. Now if you observe, this will be 24 minus 3x. 24 minus 3x. 24. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. 5 cannot be the answer. 5 cannot be the answer. 5 cannot be the answer. So 5 is omitted. 3 options are given which are divisible by 3. 5x plus wherever y is there, I substituted 8. 3 into 8 is 24. X into 8. 5x plus 24 minus 8x. So this will become 24 minus 3x. 24 minus 3x. X value we have to determine such that this number is divisible by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 9 cancel out. 4 plus 2 plus 3. These also cancel out. Right? Y will be 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus x. 20 plus x. It should be divisible by 9. 9 divisibility rule is sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Wherever 9 it is there, eliminate it. 9 is out. 4 plus 2 plus 3, that is also out. 8 plus x plus y plus 4. Y it is 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus x. It is divisible by 9. That means x should be 7. X should be 7. If x is 7, 24 minus 7, 3s are 21. 24 minus 21. Answer for this question is 3. Answer for this question is 3. Very, very good question it is, sir. Very, very good question. Little, right, logically, little time consuming question. First thing, I found out the value of y, maximum value, which will make 3y4 divisible by 8. The value I got is 8. Wherever y is there, I substituted 8. So this will become 3 8s are 24 minus 8x. 24 minus 3x I got. Wherever y is there, I substituted 8. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. So I got 20 plus x. 20 plus x is divisible by 9. X will be 7. X will be 7. I hope the idea it is clear. Good question it is. Answer for this question is 3. Next one. A 4-digit number. There is a 4-digit number. There is a 4-digit number. It is x9 to x. x9 to x. It is divisible by 36. It is divisible by 36. Divisibility rule of 36 is 4 into 9. 4 into 9. 36 it is a composite number. So if it is a composite number, I need to write the number as a product of two coprimes. First, these numbers should be divisible by which number? 4. 4 means x will become 20, 24, 28. Am I right? 20, 24, 28. Tens place is 2, it is fixed. Tens it is 2 fixed. 4, I got multiple possibilities. 9 it will be x plus 9 plus 2 plus x. That means 9 cancel 2 plus 2x. 2 plus 2x. It should be divisible by 9. 2 plus 2x. It should be divisible by 9. X it is 0. 0 into anything 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 is not divisible by 9. If x is 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. It is not divisible. X is 8. 16 plus 2, 18. That means x value we got it as 8. X value we got it as 8. First step, because of the condition that the number is divisible by 36. Divisible by 36 means it is divisible by both 4 and 9. I got the possibilities for 4, then I did the divisibility rule of 9. X equivalent to 8 I got. Step number 2. Step number 2. Question is Y 5 6 9 Z 0 4. Y 5 6 9 Z 0 4. This is divisible by 11. This is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. It is divisible by 11. 4 plus Z plus 6 plus Y. It is 10 plus Y plus Z. Sum of the odd places. Sum of the even places. 0 plus 9 plus 5. 14. It is either 0 or it is divisible by 11. Sum of the odd places. Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. Sum of the odd places is 4 plus Z plus 6 plus Y. Sum of the even places is 5 plus 9 plus 0. That means Y plus Z minus 4. It will be either 0 or 11 or multiples of 11, 22. 22. So if Y plus Z it is 4. Y plus Z it is 15. Y plus Z it is 26. Y plus Z cannot take 26. Why, sir? Because Y and Z are digits. A digit value can be from 0 to 9 only. Y plus Z, it is 4, it is 15. 26, it is not possible. Y and Z are digits. Digit maximum value, it is 18. That means out of 4 and 15, what is the maximum value? 15. Y plus Z maximum value, it will be 15. Y plus Z maximum value, it is 15. Y plus Z maximum value, it is 15. What is the question that he is asking? What is the value of 2x plus x plus? That means x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. X is 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Y plus z maximum is 15. 16 plus 15, it is 31. 16 plus 15, it is 31. I hope the idea it is clear. Y plus z, y I did not took it as 26. Y and z are digits. Digit maximum sum will be 18. So it cannot be 26. So y plus z maximum value will be 15. X it is 8. Y plus z it is 15. 8 plus 8, it is 16. 16 plus 15. Answer for this question is 31. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Each and every question is a very logical question, sir. 38th question. There is a 9-digit number 609 A5 by B 9C9 609 A5B and 9C9. It is divisible by 99. 99, it is a composite number. So it can be written as product of two coprimes. It can be written as product of two coprimes. 99, it is 9 into 11. 99, it is 9 into 11. That means 9 out, 9 out, 9 out. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus A plus B plus C. 11 plus A plus B plus C. It should be divisible by 9. It should be divisible by 9. I am using the divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 9 and 9 and 9 out. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus A plus B plus C. It should be divisible by 9. Now, if you see here, which all cases are possible? Let us see. Right? A, B, C are digits. A, B, C are digits. A plus B plus C, 7. 11 plus 7, 18. 18, it is divisible by 9. Yes. 11 plus 25, 36. It is also divisible by 9. 11 plus 26, 37. No. 11 plus 16, 27. Yes. That means only by using the divisibility rule of 9, I eliminated one option. Only one option I eliminated. What is that option? 11 plus 26 is 37. 37, it is not divisible by 9. Now, it is divisible by 11. What is the concept of 11? 11 means sum of odd places. Sum of odd places. Odd places, what will be the sum? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 9, 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 38. Again I am repeating. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 9, 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 38 minus sum of the even places. Minus of A plus B plus C. It should be either 0 or it should be divisible by 11. Either 0 or it should be divisible by 11. These option we eliminated, sir. These option we eliminated it. So if you see the 38 minus 7, it is 31. It is not possible. 38 minus 25, 13. 13 is not divisible by 11. Not possible. 38 minus 16, 22. 22, it is divisible by 11. So answer for this question is 16. Answer for this question. Two conditions it needs to satisfy. 11 plus 16 is 27, divisible by 9. 38 minus 16 is 22. It is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. Good question where both the concepts of divisibility rule of 9 and 11 both are used. 9 and 11 both are used. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Next one. If this is a good question, sir. There is a number 5, 7, Z, X, Y, 8. It is divisible by 7, 11, 13. There is a number 5, 7, Z, X, Y, 8. It is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. If you know this concept, this question is a straightforward question. Concept is any 3-digit number, you take any 3-digit number, written even number of times. Any 3-digit number, written even number of times. Any 3-digit number, written even number of times. It is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Any 3-digit number, written even number of times. It is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Very, very important. Any 3-digit number written even number of times. Sir, why it is happening? If a 123 is a 3-digit number, if I write 2 times, start from right hand side, take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus minus. The divisibility rule of 7, 11, 13 is start from right hand side, take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus minus. 123 minus 123, it is 0. That means if the same 57Z is written here, the number is divisible. That means if I write the same 57Z here, X value how much it is? 5. Very good question, sir. Y value how much it is? 7. Z value how much it is? 8. Finish. No need to do any calculation. X is 5, Y is 7, Z is 8. So the same 3-digit number is written even number of times. 5, 7, Z. 5 is for X, 5 is for 7, Z is for 8. X is 5, Y is 7, Z is 8. What is it required? X minus 2Y plus Z. X minus 2Y plus Z. Y 5 minus 2 7s are 14 plus Z. 13 minus 14. Answer for this question is minus 1. Answer for this question is minus 1. Very, very good question, sir. Any 3-digit number written even number of times, or you can also do these 5 7Z XY8. XY8. Here it is XY8. That also will give you the same answer. XY8. X will be 5. Y will be 7. Z will be 8. Directly, any 3-digit number. Very, very important point, sir. Any 3-digit number written even number of times, it is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. 7, 11 and 13. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Next one, 40th question. If the 7-digit number, there is a 7-digit number 612 X 97Y. There is a 7-digit number 612 X 97Y. It is divisible by which number? 72. It is divisible by 72. 72 means it is a product of two coprimes. 9 into 8. 9 into 8. That means it should be divisible by 9 and it should be divisible by 8. It should be divisible by 9 and it should be divisible by 8. First, these two should be divisible by 4. These two should be divisible by 4. Because for a number to be divisible by 8, first last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So it is 972. 976. 70 it is not divisible. 70, y should be an even number. So y will have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 74 not possible. 78 not possible. That means y will have two cases. 2 and 6. Out of which one is getting divisible by 8? 8 12s are 96. 12 is not divisible. That means y is 6. Y is 6. Which is fixed. Y is 6, which is fixed. If y is 6 fixed, what is the next number? 9. 9 means 9 over 7 plus 2 over 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. That means which all? Now if you see, which all we did it? 6, 1, 2, x 9, 7. Which all numbers are divisible by 9? 9 is divisible. 7 plus 2 divisible. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus x plus y it is 6. It should be divisible by 9. 13 plus x. It should be divisible by 9. That means x value it is 5. That means x value it is 5. Here y value it is 6. Here x value it is 5. I hope the idea it is clear. Y we got, x we got. Right? Z we require. For Z one more condition is given. 3, 4, Z, 1, 7, 8. It is divisible by 11. 3, 4, Z, 1, 7, 8. It is divisible by 11. What is the divisibility rule of 11? Sum of the odd places. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Sum of the even places. 10 plus Z. It should be divisible by 0 or it should be divisible by 11. Or it should be divisible by 11. Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus of 10 plus Z. That means Z value it is 3. 13 minus 3. 13 minus 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 13, it is perfectly divisible by, right 11. Z3, Y6, X5. X is 5. 2 into Y is 6. Plus 3 into Z is 3. Z is 3. So this will become 9 plus 5, 14. 14 minus 12, it is 2. 14 minus 12, it is 2. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. 72, it is a composite number. It can be written as a product of two coprimes. I wrote it as 9 into 8. For the number to be divisible by 8, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Which value we got? Y6. Once we got Y6, I deleted the digits whose sum is 9 because 72 contains a number 9. So I got X5. Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. There is a 4-digit number. What is the 4-digit number? 273x. 273x. This is a 4-digit number. It is divisible by 12. 12 is a composite number. So we have to take it as a product of two coprime numbers 4 and 3. We have to take it as a product of two coprime numbers 4 and 3. For it to be divisible by 4, last 2 digits should be divisible. That means 32 is one case, 36 is one case. 32, 36. This is for 4. 3 means sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6. It is divisible by 3. By applying the divisibility rule of 4 and 3, I got the value of x as 6. I got the value of x as 6. I hope the idea it is clear. Then there is a 7-digit number. What is that 7-digit number? Y854Z06. It is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of the odd places. Odd places it is 6 plus Z plus 5 plus Y. So this will be 11 plus Y plus Z minus sum of the even places. It is 12. It is either 0 or it is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. I hope the idea it is clear to you. 6 plus Z plus 5 plus Y. 6 plus Z plus 5 plus Y. 11 plus Y plus Z. 0 plus 4 plus 8. It is 12. That means it has to be Y plus Z minus 1, it is either 0 or 11. Y plus Z minus 1 is 0 or 11. Y plus Z will be 1 or Y plus Z can be 12. So answer is 6 plus Y plus Z can be 1. 6 plus 1, 7, it is not given. 6 plus Y plus Z is minus 1 goes to the right hand side. Plus 1. 11 plus 1, 12. 6 plus 12 is 18. Answer for this question is 18. Answer for this question is 18. I hope the idea it is very much clear.